Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're making jollof rice. Yeah, just a very low budget jollof rice, student style actually. And as you can see, we've already pre-cooked the rice and I've introduced it into a sieve. I wash like 3 times, set aside, return back to an empty pot, introduce vegetable oil. When it's hot, I added sliced onion, stir a bit, then add my mixed tomato. This is actually tomatoes, red pepper, onion, garlic, ginger. I will stir and allow it to continue frying. I'll come back and stir at intervals. And then the next ingredient is this, actually crayfish and fresh pepper. I blended the two together. I'll then stir. Then the next ingredient is curry powder and then thyme. Then stir and get the next ingredients, which is green pepper. Yeah, I will then stir. At this point, I'll have to add the quantity of water I'll be using for the rice, then add salt and seasoning cubes. I'll then cover and allow it to boil. Return back to my rishi. So this is actually the rishi for the day. We're using this for the garnishing, you know. Even though it's a low budget, we still need something, you know, to keep us going. So I will have to wash and debone. I wash 2 to 3 times, then debone, wash it again, make sure it's very neat. Yeah, after which I will set this one aside. I'll return back to my stew. It's already bubbling. I will then set aside, get the host of the day, which is rice, and then introduce it on it. I will then stir and get my rishi. The aroma is already everywhere. I will then cover, come back after 10 minutes, and this is it. It's already yummy. Honestly, let me seize this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers, my new subscribers, those contemplating whether to subscribe or not. You see this rice, it is for you. Yeah, get your spoon, your fork, however you want to take this. However you want to digest this food is for you. Thank you for giving me the strength to continue pushing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for contemplating whether to subscribe or not. I beg, do subscribe. I beg, do subscribe. What thing I go do for you? I make I bring this right for your doorstep. I'm coming right there. So this is it. Try out this and thank me later. Love you all. Mwah.